Wet in wet icing technique. The wet in wet icing technique is simply a matter of timing. Rather than flooding the cookie and allowing the icing to dry, the key is to drop runny icing into the flooding icing while it's still wet. You need to work quite quickly. Prepare 3 piping bags, 1 with soft peak royal icing and 2 with colours of a flooding consistency. Snip the end of the bag with the soft peak icing and outline around the outer edge of the cookie. Hold the tip of the nozzle or bag just above the cookie, then stop squeezing and touch down just at the end. Change to flooding icing and use gentle, even pressure to pipe a zigzag covering within the outline. Then tip the cookie to allow the icing to flow to the outline. Add a little more if necessary and encourage the icing to go right up to the edges with a cocktail stick. Tap the cookie on the surface to settle the icing. Now, using your second colour, make a hole in the tip of the piping bag. Touch down in the wet icing, make a line, then stop squeezing and touch down again and lift the nozzle away. Make a series of lines in even distance apart. Now, working swiftly, take a cocktail stick, dip the tip into the icing and drag it in a straight vertical line down through the pink stripes. Continue moving the stick up and down through the icing to create a marbled pattern.